posting on Wix blog using iPhone. In this video, you are going to learn how to make blog in Wix using iPhone. So let's get started. First, go to the mobile menu and select the app that says Wix. After opening your app, you will see a dashboard like this. From here, you can see an option that says Add in the bottom menu. Tap on it. A screen like this will appear. From here, click on the option that says blog post. After clicking on that option, you will wait and you will see a screen like this. Now add a title, you can add anything, and after adding title, you can add any image, gallery, divider, video, GIF. In advanced option, click on poll and you will be able to select any type of poll according to your choice. You can also ask question. For example, I'm going to ask what should we launch, and I'm giving two options like bags and shoes. It will give me a demo post from here. Now I can create a demo post of my own and clicking on next. From next, I will choose the link option. I will copy the URL and paste it here. After tapping on the advanced SEO settings, you will be able to see these settings. From here you can save, preview, schedule post, or you can save and publish it at this moment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.